Okay, people, this is Paul Maxwell, aka The Leader. Watch Eddy Vision TV for all the latest sports and information, right? Like, share, and subscribe.
Greetings, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Eddy Vision, the channel where we look at sports differently. Now, Ethan Rupert Pinnock began the 2021-22 season as an ever-present starter in Premier League matches, and he scored his only goal of the campaign in a 3-3 draw with Liverpool on 25th of September 2021. Pinnock remained a virtual ever-present until suffering a season-ending hamstring injury on his 35th appearance during a 2-1 victory over Watford on April 16, 2022. As some of you guys might know, Pinnock was called up to the England C national team and won his only cap in a 2-1 win over Estonia. That's the under 23 in November 2016. In March 2021, Pinnock was one of 6 English-born players to receive their first call-up to the Jamaican national team for a friendly match versus the United States in Austria. He played the opening 64 minutes of the 4-1 defeat. In the Premier League for Brentford City, Pinnock made 32 appearances, scoring 1 goal, registering 1 assist, picking up 7 clean sheets and 1 yellow card. So, tremendous season in the Premier League for Ethan Pinnock. He played excellent in his last game for Jamaica. That's at the office against Costa Rica. Showed his class, showed that he belonged in CONCACAF and that he should be a part of this team. As I said earlier, he picked up an injury, hamstring injury, in the Premier League and missed out the latter part of the season. Still not fully fit, and I think that's the reason why he missed out on Nation League action for Jamaica. Excellent player, and I believe he should be in the team. JFF, Paul Hall, please call up Ethan Pinnock. When he's fit, call him up. We need Ethan Pinnock in the setup. Alright, how good is Ethan Pinnock? Alright, let me just compare him with one of Chelsea's defenders, Rudiger, now on his way to Real Madrid. But let us do a little comparison, stat-wise. I know they play for 2 completely different teams. Rudiger plays in a much better team, much better defensive unit. And the stats going to be a little bit misleading, but let us still take a look at it and see how he match up in certain categories against one of the Premier League best defenders in Rudiger. Alright, just looking at the overall overview, Ethan Pinnock 32 appearances to Antonio Rudiger's 34. 1 goal for Ethan, 3 for Rudiger. Rudiger is much more attacking in this Chelsea team. 1 assist though for Ethan Pinnock, none for Rudiger. 7 clean sheets compared to 14 for the Chelsea man. 1 yellow card for Ethan, 9 for Rudiger. And that 1 yellow card is very tremendous. To play the entire season and only pick up 1 card is just tremendous work. He's defending at a high level, defending winning tackles without committing fouls or harsh fouls, so that's great. No red cards for either player. Alright, let us look at some more defensive stats. Ethan Pinnock, 11 blocks. Antonio Rudiger, 11 blocks as well. Interceptions. Ethan Pinnock way ahead, 44 interceptions compared to Rudiger's 28. Tackles, 51. Ethan Pinnock. Antonio Rudiger, 48. Successful tackles, 35 for Pinnock, 28 to Rudiger. Last ditch or last man tackles, 1 to Ethan Pinnock, none to Rudiger. Clearances, a whopping 148 for Ethan Pinnock compared to 84 for Rudiger. And this all has to do with style of play. Chelsea will usually build out from the back, so not a lot of hoofs or long balls out of the box compared to a Brentford team that will be under the cushion a lot of the times and just get the ball out of danger. So 148 clearances, still good as a defender, clearing his lines. Headed clearances, 91 to Ethan Pinnock, 44 to Rudiger. Ethan Pinnock a much taller man, so aerial battles won 143 compared to 56 for Rudiger. So definitely in the air, Pinnock is more of a supreme player, you know, winning a lot more headers and going up for more aerial battles. So definitely in the air, Ethan Pinnock with his height is the man. In terms of errors that leads to goal, 0 errors for Pinnock and 1 error leading to a goal for Rudiger. In terms of team play, 1 assist, I mentioned that earlier, for the Jamaican, 2 big chances created for Pinnock, 0 for Rudiger. In terms of passes, Rudiger wins out 2,497 compared to 1,416 for Ethan. Pass completion rate, Ethan Pinnock 75.35%, Rudiger 88.07. In terms of passes forward, Ethan Pinnock 661, Rudiger 872. In terms of passes backward now, 145 to Pinnock, 155 to Rudiger. In terms of touches, 2,033 for Ethan Pinnock, while Rudiger has 2,860, much more involved, and that you can see that with the true passes with 7 for Rudiger and 0 for Pinnock. In terms of crosses though, surprisingly, Ethan Pinnock has the most with 21, while Rudiger has 15. Pinnock now was dispossessed 7 times compared to 8 from Rudiger. Alright, so there you have it, guys. This is the reason why we need Ethan Pinnock in the team. A tremendous talent, good player, EPL quality defender that will definitely improve the Jamaican backline. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Do you want to see Ethan Pinnock back in the setup, back in the team, back playing alongside Damian Lowe? Or do you want to see somebody else? Let me know in the comment section below. Always remember, like, share and subscribe.